Okay, it's this is Sardis Road. Emma, wait a second. And we've just gotten started, folks, and this road is already iced up and the storm has just started. This is going to be a doozy. We're looking down Sardis Road towards Matthews in Charlotte. Bye for now. Okay, we're at Boyce Road Park. February 12, 2014, 11:30 a.m. Boyce Road Park in southeast Charlotte. Just the beginning of a major winter storm underway. It is coming down, folks. We got this whole park to ourselves. Here comes Emma, the bunny hill at Sardis Boyce Road Park. Good job, Emma. We're around the bunny hill at Boyce Road Park. Hold on tight. What'd you think of that, Emma?
Good.
Okay, Mommy and Grant are coming down.
Okay, here we go. Well, I'll inch forward. It's okay.
All right, good job, Grant and Mommy and unborn baby girl. I think we're heading back to the house to rewarm, regroup,
Thaw out.
and thaw out and get some Campbell's soup. Major winter storm just underway. We'll check back with you later. Okay, 12:45 p.m., February 12, 2014. Back at the house, looking out the bay window. Snow is still coming down heavy. Several hours to go. And I don't know if you can see on the Livingston picnic table, we've already got at least 3 inches. And we're getting ready to enjoy a warm lunch.
And I had some hot chocolate.
Emma, you had some hot chocolate?
With a big marshmallow in it.
And we're getting ready to have soup with Mommy, and Grant is finally getting warm. I think this will be all for now until maybe later on this afternoon.